This would be a level 3 question. Here it states that if x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 3 and x cube plus bx square plus ax plus 2 intersect at exactly one point which lies on the x-axis in the xy plane, what is the value of a plus b? Now if they intersect at exactly one point, then at that particular point the value of these two expressions would be equal. That is, the value of these two graphs would be equal. Thus x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 3 would be equal to x cube plus bx square plus ax plus 2. Thus at that point I can say that I would get a minus b times x square plus b minus a times x plus 1 would be equal to 0. Now since they intersect at exactly one point, this quadratic equation actually has just one root, which will be a double root, which basically means that the discriminant would be equal to 0. Thus what that means would be b minus a whole squared is equal to 4 times a minus b. From here what I get is a minus b is equal to 4. Now if I substitute this value in the equation here, the new equation that I would get is 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Now this equation has just one root, which is given by x is equal to half. Now if I take this value of x equals half and substitute it in the two equations that were given to me, the new cubic equations that I would have would be as follows. 0.125 plus 0.25a plus 0.5b would become equal to minus 3, and the other would be 0.125 plus 0.25b plus 0.5a is equal to minus 2. All I did was substitute the value of x equals half in the two expressions that were given to me, or the two graphs that were given to me, and at that value of x equals half, the value of these expressions would be equal to 0. Why? Because it intersects at a point which lies on the x-axis, and on the x-axis the value of this function would be equal to 0. Hence that is what I did. I equated first this equation equals 0 and then this equation equals 0 in order to get these two equations. Upon solving these two equations, I get a is equal to minus 1.5 and b is equal to minus 5.5. The question asked me for the value of a plus b, which is nothing but minus 7, or option A.